Best click fraud software in 2021. Hi guys, what is up? In this video, I'm going to be showing you the best click fraud softwares for you guys to use in 2021. Number one, we have PPC Protect. So guys, PPC Protect is an amazing application that is going to let you eliminate invalid activity in your PPC funnel. Now, you can reduce CPAs, improve PPC performance, and also remove invalid users from your entire PPC funnel. Over here, you can basically see some more of their features like real-time monitoring, self-learning protection, transparent reporting, human intuition, and so much more. Now what I want you to do is that simply click on see it in action, and then you will basically have three versions in front of you. So basically you have their free version. You can basically use this for free for like a specific amount of time, not forever, but like a specific amount of time, and you can simply use it and see how it works for you. If it works great, then you can actually do quite a lot with it. So now what I want you to do is that I want you to simply click on try for free. So once you click on try for free, now from over here, you basically have to answer a couple of questions. Firstly, you have to choose my business or my clients. So I'm going to choose my business, and then I want you to simply choose how much money are you spending on your advertisements every single day. So now what I want you to do is that I want you to simply say how much you're spending. After that, click on continue. And then simply put in your first name, business email, contact number, and password. And once you do all of that, your account is going to be created. Now over here, now we're going to take a look at some of their features. So over here, now we're going to take a look at some of their features. A truly autonomous response to click fraud threats, real-time click analysis, data-driven, block bad and not good. So all these things are very, very nice. 30% of their team are qualified data scientists, and they invest heavily in data R&D. You can maintain user privacy. You can also have a managed service. World leaders also basically Google, Amazon, Facebook, and so many big companies are working with PPC Protect. Over here, we can also see some of their more features. So all in all, this is a premium service, and you can definitely use this for your own needs. So you can even block fraudsters instantly and automatically. Blacklists can be useful, but they age quickly. That's why they've implemented one of the most effective automatic traffic blocking systems around that combines hourly updated blacklists with cybersecurity driven real-time analysis. PPC Protect will automatically determine when click fraud occurs and block that traffic from ever seeing your advertisements. Now over here, you can basically see that you can add as many users as you need, and you need to give your team access to your dashboard for reporting or monitoring purposes. Well, that is also not a problem because they allow an unlimited number of users per account with every PPC Protect plan. Then you also have some reviews from some of the biggest companies in the world. So all in all, this is very, very nice, and they give you a 14-day free trial as well. So that is absolutely gorgeous. So guys, this was app number one. Now we're gonna move on to app number two. So at app number two, we have AppsFlyer.com. So guys, AppsFlyer.com is basically another click fraud software that is going to help your company spend wisely and not waste your money. So they have the world's top brands. So they help the world's top brands build great products, create exceptional experiences, and preserve customer privacy. They have big brands like eBay, Nike, HBO, Alibaba, Visa, KFC, TikTok. These big names are with them, and they're honestly helping them. So using this particular software, you can you can see all the insights, all the organic installs, non-organic installs of your particular application, and you will know everything that really matters, and not just stupid stuff that actually you don't care about. They will actually give you tools that can help you spend your advertisements better and show you how you can actually improve upon your ad campaigns. So basically, they have the biggest brands as well, like Indeed, Snapchat, the Washington Post, Domino's, Wayfair. So honestly, they are really, really professional at what they provide. So to get started, what you need to do is that you need to simply click on book a demo, and then after that simply book a demo using this particular page, and then after that they will reach out to you, and then you will simply be given a demo. So guys, this is basically app number 2. Now we're gonna move on to app number 3. App number 3. So at app number 3 we have Adjust. So guys, Adjust is basically the analytics platform marketers trust. Adjust is the mobile marketing platform for growth driven marketers around the world wanting to grow their application. So you can simply grow your app business at any stage, and they provide a single platform for mobile attribution, campaign automation, and data privacy and protection. You will be all informed by accurate, high quality data, and they believe nothing should get in the way of your growth, which is why we provide all the features you need to successfully scale. Now over here you can also measure all the different things, you can also automate all the different things, and you can even protect yourself better. Your trusted partner for iOS 14. Now from over here you can basically see some of their different testimonials and stuff like that, and then from over here you can basically request a demo to like basically see more stuff happening on different platforms. So guys, that is honestly Adjust, and like honestly this is a great software. And again, to get started, simply click on request a demo, but for now we are going to take a look at pricing. So if I were to go over on their pricing section, you will basically have to contact them for the pricing, because they are really exclusive softwares, and they only charge you for like all the things that you will be required to do, nothing out of the ordinary. So for the basic plan, you will also be given advanced deep linking, SMS and push notification tracking, retention, unlimited look back window, and then after that you will see a lot of different things too. So now from over here you can even see that you will get ad tracking clicks, in-app events, unlimited lookbacks, organic install tracking, audience builder, fraud prevention suite, control center, and also a lot of different things. They have over 50,000 applications implemented worldwide, like Spotify, SoundCloud, Yelp, Hotel Tonight, Runtastic, and then basically all that good stuff. Now from over here, simply fill out this form by simply putting in your first name, last name, email address, company name, phone number, and you will be good to go. So guys, this was app number 3. Now we're gonna jump on to app number 4. So at app number 4 we have ClickSees.com. So guys, ClickSees.com is the top rated Google Ads click fraud prevention. Click fraud will waste 20% of PPC advertisers' budget in 2021. Competitors and bots can click on your ads and waste your advertising budget. So like for example, what happens is that let's say you have $10,000 and you are paying, let's say $10 per click. So guys, whenever a bot clicks on your particular ad, your $10 is going to go to waste, and you will not actually have a customer. So like that is how click fraud is very useful, because this actually helps you save a lot of money. Like over here we can basically see a visualization as well. So like all in all, this is very useful in 2021. Then we even have different websites like WordPress, Purple, Classes USA, Hannapin Marketing, WalkMe, Domino's Pizza, and like all those big names. Then you even have Google Ads IP exclusion list, and like all in all those good features. So we even have competitors, all these different things that are available over here, and they will prevent all of this and give you a very nice budget to work with. Now over here we have some people who have been using this particular platform, and all of them have said that ClickSees is the best tool that they have ever used to prevent click fraud, and they've also gained time, and they've also gained money savings, and they've tried all the rest and they went with the best. Then over here we can basically see some of the platforms that ClickSees can work with. ClickSees can work with Wix, they can work with Squarespace, WordPress, Tumblr, like there are just so many different platforms. Now you can even customize it to your own needs. You can get insights, get refunds, improve advertisements, outsmart competitors, save money 24/7, and they have over 2 million campaigns worldwide. So now from over here, click on start your free trial, and then after that you can either sign up with Google or with Facebook or with a brand new account. Now once you do that, your trial is gonna start, and you will have 7 days to basically to basically test out their particular service. So now let's take a look at their pricing. So over here on their pricing, they're gonna charge you $50 per month for a single domain and $75 per month for unlimited domains. So like honestly, I think this deal is far better clearly. So like definitely do that, and I would highly recommend that you guys honestly do that. So guys, this was the video essentially. And if this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and until next time, goodbye.